So I just did another unboxing of a keyboard, and there's a link down below if you want to see me unboxing this Razer Black Widow Elite keyboard. But at the same time, I bought a keyboard, I picked up this mouse here. I didn't actually need a mouse for my laptop right now, but this was 40 bucks. It was on sale, probably for Best Buy's Black Friday sale week. Looks like normally it's about $60. It was 40. And since I was saving a lot of money on the keyboard versus the previous one I tried, and yeah, you can see that video if you want more details on that. I figured might as well just throw in the mouse too to match my Razer laptop. So let's take a look. Now I actually used the Razer mouse before for a while, for about 7 years. Well, I didn't use it for 7 years, I had it for 7 years. I stopped using it a couple of years ago, but it still works. It just kind of worn off and some of the coating came off. So, yeah, it's dirty and ugly now. It became lame. And I switched to another Logitech mouse. But I figured for only $40 for Bluetooth Razer mouse, yeah, it's worth a try. I'm not sure if there's any RGB. I don't think so. I think there's just a light here for any kind of light. I wouldn't call myself a fanboy of any PC manufacturer or peripherals manufacturer out there. I do like Razer stuff though, especially lately. Some of the things are still a little bit questionable, and you know, their quality, it feels like they're still learning how to make things perfect, but they're getting there. They're really getting close. And one of the reasons why I believe that is with my Razer Blade Stealth laptop, which I really enjoy a lot, and it's great for what it is, for the price, for the size. Okay, I digress. Let's go back to the mouse. So we got the manual here, pretty basic. Oh, stickers! Oh, wow! I only ever had Apple stickers before. That's cool. Yeah, I wonder if there are any stickers with the keyboard too. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. That should have been in the keyboard unboxing. Screwed that one up. Looks like we just have pretty basic setup here. We got the battery included. Thanks for that. And Energizer, an okay battery. Okay, here's the mouse. By the way, this is a Basilisk S Hyperspeed. In case that's important. Very light. So first impression, it's a light mouse. Right here, something interesting. We have this switch that is on off, but we have 2.4 or BT options. And that is because you actually have an option of using a dongle or Bluetooth. I assume the dongle is probably better for gaming. It's probably going to be a little bit quicker than Bluetooth. So I don't think I'm going to use it, not yet anyway, but the option is there. This plate here attaches magnetically. That's kind of cool. You just close it up. My other Razer mouse was similar. And we're going to flip it onto BT. Okay, I see very subtle blue light starting to appear. You're defining a device or what? Yeah, the computer just sees it, connecting, pairing, says it's paired. Device is ready to go. Okay. Yeah. So that was, I don't think it can get any easier than that. That was really easy. Yeah. I'm not reviewing, I don't know how to review mice. I just wanted to do an unboxing. I think it's not a bad product for just $40. So nice and clicky buttons, and nice and not too loud scroll wheel. That was one thing that kind of disappointed me in Logitech. Their new mice have very loud scroll wheels, and it feels good in the hand. Okay. Alright, that's a mouse. It's a gaming mouse. There's no RGB, there are no bells and whistles. There's just two buttons here and this button here. And I'm not even sure if this can be remapped or it's just to like initiate Bluetooth pairing or what. Also, it doesn't look like they're... I can't even tell if it actually clicks side to side, because it doesn't click this way. So maybe it's just one direction, or it's just the same as middle click. Have to play around to figure that stuff out. Yeah, it's basic, but that's actually what I want. It's gonna be a travel mouse. It's not gonna be anything, you know, too important. It's not gonna be for any kind of extreme gaming or multitasking. It's just gonna be to throw in the bag with the computer. Something else real quick. Turns out I had to restart my laptop for it to appear because I was kind of wondering. The keyboard showed up, did ask me to restart, and then the mouse just never showed up, but I kind of figured maybe it needs a restart too. So I did restart my computer, and here it is, it popped up. So let's see what we can do here. If anything can be remapped. So the cycle sensitivity stages, can I change that? Default key, hypershift sensitivity, kinds of different options. Text function. Okay, so looks like, yeah, I can remap it to something else, like multimedia. Maybe mute. So if I did that, if I save it, now, yep, now this button mutes the computer. Cool. So I can figure something out. I don't need to cycle through my DPI settings. With the other stuff, the scroll wheel or scroll click, yeah, so there's no side to side. You just scroll up or down or click. You know, probably just leave it that on default. And this too, it's probably going to be default back and forward buttons for web browsing. Anything else I can do? I mean, I can actually create a macro and assign to some of this, to any of these keys. Of course, there's not too many keys to assign here. Sensitivity. Okay, so that's where I can change from 100 dpi all the way to 16,000. Nothing happened. I'm gonna play with it, but here it is. I was wondering about that. I didn't know if they actually offered any kind of advanced settings, or it was just like Windows settings. That's all you got. So no, it does have all the advanced settings you can work with, and yeah, makes it even a little bit better for $40. Okay, I'd say it's a recommendation for me.